My 6-year-old plumber.
Turn that one off.
That one?
Yeah, righty-tighty. Oh, yeah. You want him there?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Just going to move him just so it doesn't get
Wet.
a little bit dirty.
Yeah.
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 Ah. That's it. Look at that. That way. Oh yeah, well done, mate. No, don't stop, stop. That's it, look at that. And then we do the last one. The last one's underneath there. That's it, mate. Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, put it all out if you want. That's it.
What is that?
Keep going. That's all right. Heave.
I can't do heave.
Well done, mate. Look at that.
Glue.
Here, this is silicone. So this we can pull out.
Oh, I wanted to pull it out.
It's already sleeved. That's it at the back. All the way home. Let's have a look. Cool. What do you think of that? Does that look a bit neater?
Nice and gold.
I think that does too. You got that? Is that our new outside tap?
Yeah. It looks shiny but disgusting.
And then, well, I see. You know what you're doing. Good job, mate. Nice job, mate. Look at that.
No hole.
Yep. That's it right in there. There's 3 to do, so there's 1, 2. Then 1 right underneath.
So the edge a little bit.
That's all right.
Yeah.
I think. How many is that?
3. Where's poor 3?
Wall plug. Tap, tap.
Tap, 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 tap.
Well done, buddy. Look at that.
That was it.
Look at it. Get that tape a big old pull. Oh, that's it.
I want to use it. I want to use it. Maybe.
Right. So stop.
Never let you go.
And then just
Yeah.
speed. That's it. It's turned off. What do you think of the pressure? You got your payment? How much do you think I owe you?
50.
50 quid?
Yeah.
Oh, God.